The Moroccan Air Force is reportedly set to receive new Embraer C-390 Millennium military transport aircraft from Brazil. The announcement comes from a video from Embraer, which featured the Moroccan flag alongside the flags of other C-390 operators during the C-390 Millennium Users Group 2024 conference. Countries represented in the video include Brazil, Portugal, Hungary, the Netherlands, Austria, South Korea, the Czech Republic, the United Arab Emirates, Chile, and most recently Morocco. The presence of the C-390 Millennium is to replace the oldest Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules model in the Moroccan Air Force. The aircraft will improve its logistics and tactical transport capabilities. Previous reports indicated that Morocco was in advanced negotiations with Embraer regarding the aircraft. Morocco is also said to have the potential to collaborate on local manufacturing between Morocco and Embraer for the C-390. However, it was not stated how many aircraft the Moroccan Air Force would acquire. Previously, another African country interested in acquiring the C-390 was South Africa, also to replace its aging C-130 Hercules fleet. The Embraer C-390 Millennium is distinguished as a modern, multi-mission military transport aircraft designed to rival more established airlifters like the Lockheed C-130 Hercules. With its advanced engineering and state-of-the-art technologies, it offers a compelling alternative for nations seeking to modernize their fleets with more efficient and adaptable platforms. Equipped with two IAE V2500 E5 turbofan engines, the C-390 delivers a thrust of 31,330 pounds, achieving top speeds of 870 km per hour, 470 knots. This makes it significantly faster than the C-130, an essential attribute for tactical missions where speed is crucial. The aircraft boasts an operational range exceeding 6,000 kilometers, 3,200 nautical miles, without payload, and around 2,800 kilometers, 1,500 nautical miles, when fully loaded, offering remarkable reach for both military and humanitarian operations. One of the C-390's standout qualities is its impressive payload capacity, setting it ahead in the medium airlift category. It can transport up to 26 metric tons, which is about 57,320 pounds, whether it's vehicles, helicopters, or troops. The aircraft's cargo hold is designed for swift loading and unloading with its expansive fuselage, rear ramp, and capability to manage oversized loads, offering a crucial advantage during emergency relief operations or troop deployments in crisis scenarios. All in all, the C-390 Millennium delivers an appealing blend of speed, versatility, and modern avionics. This makes it a solid choice for nations aiming to enhance their tactical airlift capabilities. Its advanced technology, operational adaptability, and lower lifecycle costs make it a strong contender in the international military transport market. This is particularly true for countries like Morocco, which seek to boost their defense prowess and strategic logistics.